Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Dogecoin, we are trading at 0.08034, 24-hour volume, we're up down 25%, and market cap, we're up 0.94%. So heading over to our daily chart here, there is a few warning signs that I want to show you. First thing first here, we can see at the upper Bollinger Band here, we are considered as overbought with the spinning top candlestick that we do see so far in the body of today's candle. So a spinning top candlestick, we can see that there's really no surge of the buyers or the sellers, so it may be an exhaustion of this uptrend. But most importantly, with this uptrend itself, we can see it has been reversed in this parallel channel that we have, coming down to an area of support, resistance, support, and then testing out our area of resistance here. So we are making a lot of high peaks versus a lower high peaks, as well as the price itself is coming up to an area of resistance. This candlestick here on December 18th was the last area that we saw the price attempt to come up in this current downtrend that we saw in December. So going into today, we may see that the price is coming down in 100 MA and basically correcting the market and seeing if we're able to pull through and break above. As we can see, the Bollinger Bands are narrowing, but most importantly, they are slightly expanding on our daily time frame. So we may see some volatility in the market itself. Heading over to the 4-hour time frame, again, we are seeing that correction in the marketplace. I'm just going to quickly correct here for this Bollinger Band. Ultimately, whenever we see the price hit at the very top of the Bollinger Band, we do see a slight correction here. And in the last 4 hours, we can see the resistance at the very top here of 8122. A few factors as we go into today, we do see in the 4-hour time frame, the MACD indicator slowing in momentum with our MACD and our signal line closer together in the spaces. So it is wearing off in the surge of the price coming up. We may see the price coming down as well, as there is indicators that the uptrend has been exhausted. The RSI itself is going to trigger that slight buying opportunity. Again, we do need to confirm the buying opportunity with the volume itself. And I just noticed that we don't have volume on our chart. So with the volume, we see surges of selling, followed by some buying in here. So in these two sections that we have the buying, we are going to anticipate a short correction on a downside before we can validate any pumps that's going on the upside. In a 4-hour time frame, we're going to take a look at our fib retracements to see if there's areas of support. We do see this node coming down here at 61%. And lastly, I am going to take out the fixed range volume profile. This area will kind of show us the volumes in terms of the dollar amounts. And if we're able to see that as a supply and demand zone. So as we can see here, we can see around 61% to 50%. There was a lot of buying and selling interest that is just slightly above, if we can see that, above the 61%. So if we are going to have a correction on a downside, this is most likely where the price is going to come into, is the 61 to the 50%, which target prices that we are looking for is 0.0767 to 0.0777 until the correction comes up in the upside. And if you can see that in our parallel channel in our daily time frame, it's still within this channel itself. So there is going to be some corrections in Dogecoin, because if we take a look on today's daily chart, it is over exhaustion of this uptrend, and we are most likely going to see those corrections in a lower time frame. So that's kind of my outlook here for Dogecoin. Definitely be careful. Look at your indicators, everyone. Definitely comment down below, like and subscribe if you found the video insightful, but I'll see you next time.